Integrating ClickUp with Notion allows you to sync project management tasks and notes seamlessly between the two platforms. While there isn't a direct integration available within ClickUp or Notion, you can achieve this integration through Zapier, a tool that connects apps and automates workflows. Here's how to do it. Set up Zapier account. Sign up for a free Zapier account at zapier.com. Once logged in, click on Make a Zap to start creating an automation. Choose ClickUp as trigger. In the trigger section, search for ClickUp. Select a trigger event, such as new task or task updated. Connect your ClickUp account and select the workspace and task details. Choose Notion as action. In the action section, search for Notion. Select an action event, such as create database item or create page. Connect your Notion account and choose the database or page where tasks from ClickUp will be sent. Map fields. Map fields from ClickUp to the corresponding fields in Notion. Test and activate. Test the Zap to ensure it works, then click Turn on Zap to enable the integration.